You put your feelings on safety, so you don't go wasting all your energy. Cause too many niggas done had their way say, you just wanna be friends, them niggas ain't me. You got a whole lot of love, girl, don't you waste it. I wanna build it back up, don't wanna break it. Girl, I've been wishing for you, my chance, I'll take it. Girl, I know what you've been through, so I'll be right here. Yeah.
Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Deliwe here, also known as the More Deliwe. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this look. And it's the very basic look. It's a look you could do when you're going to hang out with your friends or you're going to work and you just want a quick bit. So this is the look you do. So guys, first off, we're going to be starting with cleansing our face. We can't be doing makeup on a dirty face, so I'm going to be using this micellar water to cleanse my face. I love using it because it leaves my face feeling matte, and I don't sweat a lot when I use this. See how dirty my face is. This done, I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. So I love using a mascara wand to just brush them up a bit. Okay. I'm gonna be using Revolution Conceal and Define concealer to contour my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using shade C11 mixed with shade C13. And I'll be dragging down my concealer so it's easier. I'm going to be using these two colors, this one and this one. And I'm going to be using the MAC 224S brush to go into my crease. And like I said, this is like a very basic look that you can go do when you're going to work or when you're just going to hang with your friends and you don't want to wear too much makeup. So there we go. And then I'm going to be using this gold color right here, Fool's Gold. Then I go back into my crease. Just to remove the demarcation line. Then to highlight my brow bone, I'm gonna be using Hang 10. This color here. I'm using the MAC Mascara shade 7.5. So to blend my concealer, I'm going to be using this small little brush. So now I'm going to be using the MAC medium dark powder to highlight my face. Under my eyes. So now to contour my face, I'm going to be using my favorite palette, Juvia's Warrior 2 palette. This palette, I love this palette. I can use this palette every single day of my life and never use anything else. I love it, and I love it because I can use it to contour my face and to just use the colors that I need for my eyes every day. So to contour my face, I'm going to be using Kurufu, this color right here. Then I'm gonna be using Jamata, this one, as my blush. For my bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Warrior palette, this one, and I'm gonna be using these two colors here. I'm gonna bridge up my nose, not putting too much. Just come down a little bit. Back in with Kurufu. So what I do is I like putting the bronzer on my ring finger. There you go. I'm going to be using this morphe. It's called Jealousy. And to line my lips, I'm going to be using Michiko Halo by True Lip Color. Okay. Then I take my Then to finish it off, I take this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in shade Ashton. Actually, I make it stick actually, guys. We are like close lips. Gonna be using the Essence Shine 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 because I don't love matte lips. Then voila, guys, you are done. You are done. And I'm ready for work, church, or just to hang out with my friends. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed filming it. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you guys.